Hello and welcome, Babugel Babuhle bethu, to yet another brilliant episode of your favorite show. My name is Nelly Swamakanya. Today we are here in the city of Mbabane. We are at the Open House Hotel. It's a very exclusive place. Right from the time you walk through the gate, you can see that there's exclusivity all around this place. Let's find out what they have for us because I'm excited. This is a very wonderful place. Let's go. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. And how are you, Nelisa?
I'm alright, thank you. Can you please introduce yourself, your name, surname, and also the position that you have here?
Okay. My name is Busiswa Mabuza, and I am the marketing officer of Open House Hotel.
Alright, that's exciting. So when you talk about Open House Hotel, what kind of a place do you have here? If you can just explain it in a nutshell.
Open House is a luxurious hotel. Yeah. It's very exclusive. We're located in Mbabane Avenue, down the Colonna Road, and it's a wide true story.
Nice.
Yeah, so this is our hotel, and welcome.
Thank you so much. All right, so that's exciting. So since it's a hotel, I'd like to know when it comes to the accommodation side of things, how big is the hotel? How many rooms do you have, and what kind of rooms do you have?
Okay, thank you. Our hotel, we have a total number of 20 rooms, and we have 3 stories, like I've mentioned, and we have 4 types of rooms. The first one being our executive twin rooms, our classic king room, our deluxe room, and the royal suites, which is our
the most exclusive one.
the most exclusive room in the hotel.
All right, so when it comes to the restaurant at the Open House, how does it cater for its guests, maybe accommodated or just stay-in visitors?
Okay, we have our Mbiva restaurant, and it caters for everyone. It is open from 6 a.m. in the morning until 10 p.m. And we have 3 types of menus. We have our a la carte, we have our events menu, and also buffet menu.
Okay.
So for people that are sleeping at the hotel, I will say, they have access anytime, basically, because they're able to order before 10 and they're able to get service even after 10, actually, because the hotel operates 24 hours.
Okay.
Yeah, so walk-ins are welcome any time of the day between 6:30 and 10 p.m. Our breakfast is between 6:30 and 10 a.m.
Right.
Then there's lunch.
Okay, so Nanglela Kaya, you said, I'm not understand that the party, I have access to the restaurant anytime. So when I get here and I'm accommodated here, it benefits, I think it should be breakfast. And then how does it work around the other things? Is it like on call or special orders? Like how does it work?
Yes, on call. I think, we have guests that come any time of the day. For example, they come at 9:30. Already the restaurant is closing, and you don't expect them to go out to have dinner. So they're able to make a call and order whatever they're ordering, and then Nomasik Value restaurants, they're able to get
from
their
the
food.
a la carte menu.
Yes.
Okay.
The a la carte menu.
All right, nice.
Yes.
Okay, so now, and then when it comes, you said the menu is in three. There's the menu for the people that are accommodated here. So now let's go into the one of events. Events. Let's say I'm having an event. How does the restaurant come into play? Events.
On the events menu, we have fairly food for groups, I would say. Your finger food menu, your platters. Don't get into ganjalo. That's why we also brings me to the buffet menu as well. That is what most people use for events. Yeah, so Gule events also we have our meat platters. So on events are very useful compared to the a la carte.
Okay.
But they're also welcome to use the a la carte.
Okay.
Yeah,
cool,
they're also
okay.
welcome because maybe you don't prefer anything on the events menu, but ngale kukhona, so
Okay. So on the party conferences, you said, I think is there a different menu for conferences?
Not really. Because on the conference section, we have the package, and the Kuma conferences we offer email, buffet meal. So it is, what can I say? It is the chef's.
Okay, chef will decide that. How does it? Okay.
It's the chef who decides what's on the day, unless there are specific requests. Then we can, we're flexible like that.
Sanibonani masoda amahle. Nozipho ngakadlamini Sibongo se-Open House Hotel. Ngicela ukuchaza kudla kwethu. Shohlana sine kumenu yethu sine salads, but nyalo sine chicken salad lana. Akusiyo yona yedvana. Kune salads lamanye lamanengi. Like noma ngabe uli vegetarian uyayithola ima vegan. Then nabo masoup kuyangena namasoup because kuma starters. Then bese sibuya kuma night meals. Shothi kuma night meals sima pizzas. Shothi like ukusnack nje. Nangabe usami usahlelo samele i-main meal yakho. Then uyakhona ema pizzas ke ehlukene kanengi because accommodate wonke umuntu. Kunabo something meat but nyalo sina chicken and mushroom pizza nyalo lana. Then kukhona ukuthi akhona la nangabe maybe ungakudle lokuyinang lokufaka bo tinyama uyakhona nangabe maybe ufuna something meat uyamthola so shothi lana accommodate wonke umuntu nakhona. Then bese sesiyabuya sibuya kuma steaks ethu shothi i-main meal yethu main meals ethu ke afaka lama steaks ethu asiwo lawa maningi nawo so uyakhetha ukuthi ufuna maphi nakhona nesiavuthwe kanjani siyakwentela ngendlela yakho. Then ke bese kuba nema pastas manje ukuthi unfortunately kude soyendile nyalo lana nema pastas siyawenda nema vegan nawo siya accommodate because lonke ihlobo lebamfuna sikufake kulokudla kwabo. Bese sekuba nema menus ebamvula betako kusipete beyato wenda ama event. Then ke lapho ke kune ma menus akhona shothi cause akusibo bonke bami labanemali siyathi ukuthi simaswati umnotho kuhle kuyenteka undengandenge so siba nayo ima meat platter lesibita ngathi imicwembe ngesiswati. So lokho ke kuyas accommodate thina lesikhanzu maybe asikhona vele kunawo. Then bese sekuba nabo buffet nawo lama buffet ahlukene ema prices akhona ukuthi wena ufuna le kanjani uyakhetha ukuthi ufuna le kanjani. So nakhona lapho siyakwentela ngendlela yakho bese kuba nema snack ukuthi ngiyafuna mina kusnacka like ma finger foods. Then ke lapho ke nakhona like ma finger foods ke siyathi ukuthi asihlali phansi nasidla wona sisuke simile sihlala siyabo lokuthi sidla ngesandla like those are the finger foods asidleli kusutha lapho siyadla ukuthi sidlela kubamba umongo ya. Okay bese sesiba nema outside catering siyawenda mina ngabe maybe unemicimbi ukuthi maybe unemicimbi hayi mina ngifuni cause nyalo sesenda kasothi nebamla bamnyama sesibane ukuthi sifuna ukuthi sente umcimbi ekhaya. Hayi mina ngifuna kubita lo chef ete ekhaya siyakwendela kuloko sakho accommodate. Kuba kuwe ukuthi ufuna ukuthi sikwende kanjani sikwenda ngendlela yakho. It's either ufuna ukuthi thine sisuke maybe netinto tethu lana tekupheka nako konke siyakwenda kanjalo noma ngabe unako wena ukuthi uya nawo siyakwendela khona ngale. Kahle accommodate wonke umuntu ukuthi abe happy nami ngibe happy. Lana ema sauces ema salads siyadakhela from scratch. Asiwathenga ukuthi maybe siyathenga esitolo sithenga lama ingredients thina bese sesadakhela. Even the sauces ema sauces konke kwethu sikwenda kula Open House Center fresh sikususa from scratch asithengi. Even ema bakers nangabe kunema baker ibaker yethu siyadakhela from scratch asithengi ibaker lesevele yakhiwe lesingathi usakhiwa nini. Even nalabo ma rolls siyadakhela everything because kunabo pastry chef lana nabo sushi kuningi lesikwendako cause nesushi siyayenda nangabe maybe ufuna isushi siyakhona sisikwendele kuningi cishe kuningi losikwendako akusiko lokhu kuphela.
Mbukela Buhle bethu was still at the Open House Hotel. We were enjoying ourselves. It's so nice to be here. It's relaxing, the tranquility. It's just amazing. Let's take a short break, and when we come back, we have more to show you right here at the Open House. Welcome back to the show, Babugela Buhle bethu. Open House is one of the wonderful places that you can use to host your wonderful and exclusive events. I know this because I am one of the people that have hosted events right here. It was my birthday on the 5th of February right this year. My birthday gala dinner coming up right now.
We have hosted birthdays, baby showers, bridal showers. We've also had a wedding. In as much as we are a small place, we have had a beautiful wedding in the hotel. Yeah.
Okay, so it's birthdays, and I would know that better because I've hosted mine also.
Obviously, yeah. So I think you felt also the royal feel and
of course
the royal treatment as well, because we just don't give a feel.
No.
We also have that special customer service as well.
Okay, so with the conferencing facility, how does it work? Let's say I want to have a conference here, maybe like the whole day, or maybe it's just a small thing, maybe for a few hours. How does it work, the whole service around conferencing?
We do have a conference room at the Open House Hotel, and it accommodates up to like 45, 50, depending on the setup that you have chosen.
Oh.
So we have packages for conferences, which is half day and full day. Half day being your morning tea and lunch, full day with afternoon tea. So yeah, not gonna get depend on the prices. If it's full day, then the price are corner. If it's half day, the price are corner.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, so are there any other activities people can get up to Nabalana, or it's just the accommodation and the restaurant? I think I saw something nice when I was just walking through.
Yes, as we have for the conferencing, the accommodation, our restaurant, and our very special bar upon your entrance in the hotel. So there we have activities that you come with. Whether you want to do sip and paint, you are available for that. You are doing your high tea. You're doing in the bar your whatever cool chillers thing. Yeah, all the activities that you bring to us. Open House is flexible to like cater to you.
Sanibonani, siyanemukela e-Open House Sports Bar. Ngidawo igama lami ngingayise, ngidawucela kunendela signature cocktail yethu Strawberry Lagoon ne-Desert Queen.
how do people usually get hold of you when they want to do their bookings? Maybe with the restaurant, just accommodation, maybe your social media handles and numbers they can use to contact you.
They can contact us for always a phone call. And our number is 7828-7878 or 7604-7069. They can call that as the reception and the marketing phone. And we're available on social media platforms. That is Open House Hotel Mbabane on Facebook, and on Instagram is _Open House _.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So if you're saying there's Open House Mbabane, does it mean we have any other?
Yes. That's why Mangisha Kalin, I didn't say Open House Mbabane.
Okay.
I'm the marketing of both. We have Open House in Mbabane and in Manzini. Yes.
Okay.
So Lugunda Mbabane, I'll say Open House in Mbabane.
All right. So now, when it comes to Open House Manzini, are the facilities already similar?
It's very similar.
Okay.
Manzini is very similar. It's located in Chiloni Park, Manzini Nazarene. Yeah, and we're under the same family.
All right.
So if you're in Manzini, don't be scared to go to Manzini. You'll get the same treatment and the same feel.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, finally, can you just talk to the camera and invite people over, talk to that camera there, invite people over to Open House so that they can have a royal experience, exclusivity. You know what I'm talking about.
Okay, thank you so much. I would lovely like to welcome people to Open House Hotel. You can come for your accommodation, you can come for your conferencing, your luxurious special dinners, and also visit our sports bar upon the entrance. Yeah, you can also call us, like I said, or book for anything, your table for two, and also for your events. Don't forget to come for your events.
Right.
Yeah, to experience the real feel.
Welcome back to the show, Babugel Babuhle Bethu. I'm sure all of us know that this is a very, very special weekend, most particularly to our fathers. We are celebrating Father's Day, and I'm sure you are back there at home watching this and wondering, where can we take Boba Beglel Suglabo Luluhle Nagangaga? That is why today I am here at Ngawela Lifestyle Spa, where you can take your father out for a massage. For all the beauties that they have inside here, we want to find out what is it that they have to offer to the fathers on this special weekend. Stay tuned.
My name is Kholiwe Dlamini. I'm a receptionist at Ngawela Lifestyle Studios and Spa. Okay, Ngawela Lifestyle Spa, just like we say the name spa, spa, we have massages, we have facials, we do pedicures, we also have a salon where we do hair and nails. Ngawela Lifestyle Spa ukalobamba sibukenele emgwaqweni yakumanzana. Mawutala ekhaya ke ungachamuka ngendasi emgwaqweni lomkhulu i-freeway, ungachamuka nangenhla ePhalamende, nakhona mawutala ekhaya uyachamuka ngakhona usithole sibukene nje nalomgwaqo lo yakumanzana thina. Ngawela Lifestyle Spa has massages. Massages differ according to the duration and the amount of pressure applied during the massage. For instance, there's a deep tissue massage, so the pressure there is a bit too much. There's also a Swedish massage with average pressure. There's also a hot stone that's very important during winter, because you know when it's cold, we need the heat from the stones. So the hot stones, there's a hot stone massage. And then there's also facials, a number of facials. They differ according to the chemicals that are used during the facial. And then there's also pedicures. They differ according to the time, as in duration, and the chemical used, and the gel applied, because we also apply gel. And by the way, even men, our fathers, our brothers, they do take care of their nails. So after the pedicure, we also apply maybe plain colored gel. So yeah, kula ma massages lengwashito nabo make nabo bangawenda. Phindze futhi sine salon la khaya. Isalon ke ngilapho sigcina khona bomake bayathanza ukukhanza babahle. Bendene tingalo, isalon yethu ke siyadenda ngalo, siyachina, siyageza. Senda nje makabe muhle. Nabo sisi bethu ke lokhansi bambe nabo baphedele babe. Nabo siyaba accommodate. Deep tissue massage ngendiwa ngonoma ngangibani. Bathi ke njengoba ngishido it differs according to le pressure. Angithi lo munye umuntu ngibekise nje nganaba labajimako noma naba lokhaya ukuthi bahlala kakhulu noma uthole ukuthi kumbe uthwala kakhulu emahlombe. So udikhanza sekeva buhlungu, so there's too much tension. There's thinking nje leti bakhona lamahlombe, so they end up needing someone lo tawumane afake emandla lapho kule mbe lamahlombe kumbe emgogodleni or any part of the body. So loyo move loyo ke kufuna ukuthi ende deep tissue. Boba bethu basebenza badima incumbi yabo, you find that they work emisebenzini lethi ngemandla kakhulu, so bangeta abantu deep tissue. And ke na deep tissue can also add stones. Nyalo lokubanza ikahle nje Father's Day vele inge winter, so la kule deep tissue bathi babafaka lamandla phindze bafake nema stones. We are very happy to host our fathers and the men out there. They are welcome to come at Ngawela. We have a special that we're running. It has a massage, a sauna because it's winter, so we really need them to go into the sauna because the sauna is good for the body when it's cold. And also we do pedicures. So there's a pedicure among the things that are in the special. Because, you know, most men, our fathers, don't like, I won't say they don't like, but they don't usually come and do their pedicures, take care of their feet, because the feet are important. Mind you, when it's cold, the feet usually get hard. The skin of the feet usually get hard. So the pedicure is good for that. It deals with the hardness of the feet. It treats the feet. It's not really limited to the package. They can add more because we do have we have facials. They are not part of the package, but they can add facials. Sivumele ukuthi bangakhona kuthenga ama-voucher kithi, which means let's say nje ngoba iFathers Day iseta uyakhona ukuthi uthengele babe i-voucher. Akudingi ukuthi uzitela kithi. Siyakwendela ukuthi ubhadale ngetindlela tesimanje manje. Ngabo EFT bo e-wallet bo letindlela leto letilula for ukuthi uthumele imali ukhashana, siyakuvumela lokho bese sikuthumelela le voucher yakho nge-email noma nga-WhatsApp. So kukuwe ke ukuthi uthenge i-voucher yamalini, asikulimit thina. Ungasho nje ukuthi ngicela kufaka nayi inkhulungwane ndawo bese babe sowuyeta wenda lokulingana le mali, siyakuvumela lokho. Bese sinendlela ukuthi sende bamfu ukuthi baphindze babuye la khaya bafune kuphekubuya kunana kulabathi ngema loyalty cards. Yes, lo shothi siya le loyalty cards siyakunika ihlale kuwe njalo mawuta siyisayine ukuthi udile, usiyisayine ukuthi udile makufika kumbe ku10 bese le treatment yes10 uyithola mahala. The first thing that most people usually say, they say your place is beautiful. You can also be the judge of that. I wouldn't say much, but they usually say it's a nice place. And we also provide them, like njengoba si spa, there are a lot of spas out there, but nathi si spa singawela sihlukile somehow. We do provide a massage, let's say Swedish. Someone else provides the same Swedish, but kwethu kuhlukile somehow. I wouldn't really go deep into how, but as a spa, you also market yourself differently. So yeah, siyazama nathi kutimisela masendo umsebenzi wethu ukuze utohluka kunewalabanye. Yes, nakona lo lokunye ke njengalama facials enhloko nje uthole ukuthi masikhuluma ngesalon senda ditayila letehlukile kunetala abanye. It's still a salon like any other one, but mase senda lo msebenzi simake sure ukuthi uhlukile kunewalabanye usecopheleni lesetulo. Labanye ke baye basho njalo nale service yethu ke baye basho ukuthi sibaphatha kahle bahamba bajabulile ngoba phela mawuyenza weni kuphumula ufuna ukuthi uphumule phindze ujabule uphume unglo lomusha lo refreshed. We have a contact number kwanyalo sisasebenzisa cell phone number kuphela sisete i-landline, so sisebenzisa i-cell phone number lethi 7637 5112 7637 5112. Sikhona ke thina na ku Facebook Ngawela Lifestyle Spa, sikhona na ku Instagram sihamba nga the same name. Sikhona ke okay ku WhatsApp kule nombolo yethu lesiyishito. Happy Father's Day kubo bonke bobabe bethu labakhona ngaphandle nabobhuti bethu, siyanithanza kakhulu. Bese sengingasho ke kuwo onke eMaswati nalabanye labangaphandle ukuthi iNgawela Lifestyle Studios and Spa iyanemukela, ikhona kunemukela nebuni nendaniti vele niphumlile nijabulile ngaso sonke isikhathi. Ningasishayela njengoba besesishito, ningasithola na kuma social media pages ethu. Nivumelekile ukuthi ayingawela nemukelekile noma kunini ningasithola.
Mbukela buhle bethu, I've just got myself pampered right here at Ngawela Lifestyle Spa. This is so amazing. Nkutsata bobabe emakhaya that as you are approaching Father's Day tomorrow, go out there. Nagathi mage asesiphume babe siyobuka tintwe etolo ungaphikisi, because they might just be bringing you here. Continue following us on all our social media platforms. That is our YouTube, Eswatini TV YouTube channel. That's where you find Buhle Bet for full episodes. Follow me on social media on Facebook. I'm Nelly WM Makanya with the blue tick. Until next week when we bring you more from Buhle Bet. Goodbye.